In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields and forms in Zendesk support. Whether you're a Zendesk beginner or looking to optimize your current setup, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's dive in and make Zendesk work better for you. To start off, head over to the Zendesk website, which serves as a comprehensive customer support solution. Once you're there, locate and click the Sign In button to proceed. Now you'll find yourself at the login page. Enter your email and password to access your account, and then click Sign In again to finalize your entry into the Zendesk dashboard. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. It's usually situated in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this takes you to the admin section. Here you'll notice an option that says Go to Admin Center. You'll want to select this. Inside the Admin Center, you'll find various tools at your disposal to manage and customize your Zendesk environment. In the Admin Center, next click on Objects and Rules. This is where much of the magic happens. You'll be directed to a page where you can handle various configurations for your support environment. From there, direct your focus to Fields. Clicking on this will bring up a list of fields that are already in place. It's essentially the control hub for modifying and adding new field options. To add a new field, click the Add Field button. At this point, you'd want to think about what kind of information you want to gather. It's your opportunity to choose from varying field types. Whether it's a simple text entry or something more specific like a checkbox, select what works best for your needs. For example, if you're interested in having a checkbox field, click on that. Now that you've chosen your field type, it's time to give it a display name. The display name is what your users will see, so make it intuitive and informative. Think about the label from your user's perspective. Clear communication is key. Next, provide a description. While the display name grabs attention, the description offers additional context or instructions. It can clarify what kind of response you're expecting, so don't skip this step. Additionally, consider adding tags. Tags can be incredibly useful for organizing and categorizing the information you'll gather. They make searching through heaps of data smoother and more efficient later on. Once you're satisfied with how things look, the final step is easy. Simply click Save. This ensures all your configurations are securely saved and ready to be used in your support tickets. And there you have it, a neatly organized way to customize your Zendesk forms and fields, allowing for better information gathering tailored to your organization's needs. The process is straightforward, offering plenty of room for adjustments as your support strategy evolves. Thanks for following along, and happy Zendesking.